Who will be the first choice overseas players for each team in IPL 2020? First of all, IPL 2020 is happening in UAE. UAE has larger grounds as compared to Indian grounds, such as for a Chinnaswamy Stadium or a Wankhede Stadium. इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? इससे ये फ़र्क पड़ता है कि ओवरसीज़ प्लेयर्स की जो इंपॉर्टेंस है टीम में वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगी। साथ साथ में अगर आप देखिए स्पिनर्स की जो इंपॉर्टेंस है वो भी बढ़ जाएगी। क्यों? क्योंकि ग्राउंड जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो स्पिनर्स को एक रिलीफ मिल जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो है, सिर्फ 3 ग्राउंड्स हैं यूएई के अंदर। व्हेन यूएई ओनली हैज़ 3 ग्राउंड्स, दैट मीन्स जो पिचेस होंगी विद टाइम बहुत स्लो हो जाएंगी, तो स्पिनर्स को बहुत ज़्यादा मदद मिलने वाली है यूएई के अंदर। एंड फास्ट बॉलर्स यहाँ पे थोड़े कम इफेक्टिव होंगे एट द लेटेस्ट स्टेज ऑफ द आईपीएल और इन द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द आईपीएल। सो सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन जो अभी हमारे सामने है वो ये है कि who will be the first choice overseas players for each team in IPL 2020? It's time to talk about that. So let's start with Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians के जो 4 प्रोबेबल ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स होंगे वो होंगे कैरन पोलार्ड, ट्रेंट बोल्ट, लसिथ मलिंगा एंड क्विंटन डिकॉक। अगर मैं स्पिनर्स की बात करूं तो उनके पास सिर्फ 3 स्पिनर्स हैं, कृणाल पांड्या, राहुल चहर एंड जयंत यादव। तो आई थिंक मुंबई यहाँ पे फंस सकता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पिन। क्यों? क्योंकि मुंबई ने जो टीम सेलेक्ट की थी वो वानखेड़े के लिए अच्छी थी बट यूएई की पिचेस के लिए अच्छी नहीं। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सीएसके के, तो सीएसके के अंदर यू हैव शेन वॉटसन, यू हैव फैफ ड्यूप्लेसी, यू हैव डीजे ब्रावो, यू हैव इमरान ताहिर। अगर मैं स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट की बात करूँ तो स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट में यू हैव इमरान ताहिर, दैट्स फॉर श्योर। बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडियन स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ पीयूष चावला, हरभजन सिंह एंड करण शर्मा। सो जो एक एक्चुअली आर्मी खड़ी हो सकती है इंडियन स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट की सीएसके के अंदर। तो सीएसके वोंट माइंड प्लेइंग इन यूए बिकॉज दे वुड गेट सिमिलर कंडीशंस as they would have got in Chepauk. The 4 picks for Delhi Capitals would be Kagiso Rabada, Marcus Stoinis, Jason Roy and Sandeep Lamichhane. Sandeep Lamichhane is there in the spin department. Apart from that, the Indian spin department if I talk about, then you have Ravichandran Ashwin, then you have Amit Mishra and Akshar Patel as a backup option. If you talk about Delhi Capitals in general, then they have Shreyas Iyer, they have Prithvi Shaw and with the likes of Rishabh Pant. They have experienced players in terms of Shikhar Dhawan, Ravichandran Ashwin and Ajinkya Rahane. So it can form a good combo and this team can win the IPL in 2020. KXIP. I tell you what, this team can destroy any opposition on their day, at least on paper. If I talk about the 4 picks for KXIP, the 4 spots that will be filled by the overseas players, then Chris Gayle is number 1 on that list. Then you have Glenn Maxwell, then you have Sheldon Cottrell in their team now, and the 4th spot will be filled by either of Nicholas Poran or Mujibur Rahman. Apart from Mujib, the spin department is very good as well. You have Murugan Ashwin, you have Ravi Bishnoi, the youngster, and then you have Krishnappa Gautam as well. I'm actually interested to see how KL Rahul captains this team because I know that he will do well as a captain, and this team can also be one of the contenders to win the IPL this time. Time to talk about KKR. Andrew Russell, Sunil Narayan, Owen Morgan and Pat Cummins. There's no brainer who will be picked for the 4 overseas spots. But apart from that, if I talk about the spin department, they don't have anybody else apart from Varun Chakravarti or Kuldeep Yadav. So I think they have missed a trick here somewhere because I think this team would struggle in UAE in the later half of the IPL. Now it's time to talk about the Royals. Not the Royals from Bangalore, but the Royals from Rajasthan. It's undoubtedly the best overseas lineup. On paper, if I talk about, with the likes of Josh Butler, Steve Smith, Jofra Archer, and the man who is in the form of his life, Ben Stokes. If I talk about the spin department, then they have Shreyas Gopal, who had a very good outing in 2019, and they have Mayank Makhande as well, who has been traded from Mumbai, if I'm not wrong. So they have a very good spin department, but it's about seeing how they perform as a team. Time to talk about the team who has been given the tag of chokers in the IPL. Honestly, I have a lot to talk about Royal Challengers Bangalore. But if I talk about the 4 overseas picks for RCB, then the number 1 player would be AB de Villiers. Then you have Moeen Ali. Then you have Aaron Finch in the team as well. And then either of Dale Steyn or Isar Udana. If Dale Steyn is fit, then he would play. Otherwise, Isar Udana would come in. And he can be very handy in the later stages of the game because with his cutters. If I talk about the spin department, honestly, it's not very good apart from Yuzvendra Chahal and Washington Sundar's off spin. But I hope they do well. Time to talk about the underdogs. Sunrisers from Hyderabad. David Warner picks himself, and he will be the first pick. Kane Williamson is there. Johnny Bairstow is there, and then the 4th pick would be Rashid Khan. They don't have a very good Indian spin department. That means you can only play one overseas spinner, and that can be either Rashid Khan or Mohammad Nabi, because their batting lineup is heavily dependent on overseas players. So that means they would have to punch above their weights in terms of spin department. I don't know how they would perform as a team, but definitely they would punch above their weight. So अगर मैं on paper देखूं तो KKR, SRH and RR बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong teams है only on paper in terms of overseas players. क्यों? क्योंकि KKR के पास है आंद्रे रसल, सुनील नारायण, ओवेन मॉर्गन एंड पैट कमिंस. RR के पास है बेन स्टोक्स, जोफ्रा आर्चर, जॉस बटलर एंड स्टीव स्मिथ. एंड SRH के पास है डेविड वार्नर, जॉनी बेयरस्टो, केन विलियमसन एंड राशिद खान. But if I talk about, or if I include the spin department as well, Indian spin department, overseas spin department, then Kings 11 Punjab, Delhi Capitals and Chennai Super Kings have an upper hand. So the biggest contenders to win the IPL this time can be or would be Chennai Super Kings, Kings 11 Punjab and Delhi Capitals. The captaincy of KL Rahul, the captaincy of Shreyas Iyer, the young blood that's there in Kings 11 Punjab, the young blood that's there in Delhi Capitals, the experienced players in both the teams. I think it can form a very good combination, and Delhi Capitals and Kings 11 Punjab can be one of the contenders to win the IPL apart from CSK. So that's it in this video, guys. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो definitely thumbs up देना, because it matters a lot. Apart from that, वीडियो को शेयर भी जरूर कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, एंड बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर देना. एंड until next time, bye.